Here they are, guys. Look how beautiful. It's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have done a fashion review, but life was lifing, but I am here. I am back. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of fashion reviews and lifestyle content. Today's fashion review is going to be over the most wanted, the most talked about Chanel quilted loafers, or some people call it the Chanel Turnlock loafers. So if you have been watching my videos, you know I kind of talk about the shoe first, and at the very end I will do a up close and personal look at the shoe itself. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's talk about how I landed and how I secured these shoes. So I don't know if you've seen on social media or if you've tried getting these shoes. These loafers are extremely hard to get, especially the black ones. And yes, I have the black ones. Everywhere you go, they're sold out. They're like nearly impossible to come across. So how did I get them? Honestly, guys, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I got extremely lucky. I got these in February of 2024, so I've had them for almost a year, and I was out looking for black loafers. My husband was like, let's go shopping for a Valentine's gift, and I knew I wanted black loafers. I had seen these before. I thought they were super cute. I didn't know that they were hard to get. I wasn't just dead set on getting them. I thought they were cute. I had to think about it, right? And I didn't even ask the essay about them, so I didn't know they were so hard to get. I had seen them on display. So one day my husband and I were in Neiman Marcus, and he was like, okay, go pick out a black loafer that you have been wanting. And I'm looking around, and I don't even see it on display anymore, and it was still in the back of my mind. So I asked the Neiman Marcus essay, and I didn't even know this essay. It was just a random employee there, and I'm trying on the Chanel black loafers, not the one that I wanted. He just so happens to, I'm trying on this black loafer with some charms, and he just so happens to be like, hey, I have this black loafer in your size. I didn't even know we had this one. These are really hard to get. Do you want to try it on? And I'm like, oh my gosh, is that the quilted loafer? And he was like, yes. So he just happened to come across it. He said they're normally sold out, and it just happened to be in my size. So I was at the right place at the right time. And I tried them on, and I secured the bag. So shout out to God. He was looking out for me because I really wanted these loafers. Now let's go ahead and bring them out, and I'll go into more depth on the review. So here they are, guys. Look how beautiful these are. They're so classy, so elegant, so timeless. And like I've said, I've had these for about a year. These are my absolute favorite loafers. Second part, the price. So at the time when I bought them, the listing price was US dollars, $1,550. I am sure that the price has increased since then. So that was the listing price. And these are, of course, 100% leather. This is lambskin leather. Look at the quilt. It kind of resembles some of their handbag. And it gives this look, such a classy and cute look. And the Turnlock is just really for display. You can do this, and the flap opens, and like I said, it's just for display. I guess you could put something in here if you wanted to. Hide your money in here. I don't know. Turnlock. And of course it is a leather sole. You see it does have some wear. I've had these for about a year, and let's talk about the sizing in these. Chanel sizing can be kind of tricky. Usually Chanel sizing runs a little small. For me, I am either a 9.5 or a 10, so a 39.5 or a 40. And when he brought these out to me, he only had a 9.5, and I tried them on and they fit. But realistically, if they had a 40, I would have gotten a 40. So I recommending sizing up by a half size. So these are 39.5. and this is a narrow shoe, and this fits me. It's like the perfect fit. I am able to wear like socks and like stockings with these if I wanted to, but in an ideal world I would prefer to have a 40, but these fit me fine. And let's talk about like practicality with like the comfort level. I mean, because let's be honest, like this is an honest review. I tried to be honest with you guys as much as possible. Like half of the designer shoes are just like not comfortable, and some of them give you blisters. So what is the comfort rating on these loafers? I will say these are overall pretty comfortable. I am able to wear them to like dinners, nights out, but I cannot wear them all day without socks. If I wear them all day without socks, I do notice that the inner part of my foot starts to hurt a little bit, and I have gotten like a tiny blister from wearing them one time all day without socks. And that's the only time it happened, but I will say overall they're comfortable, and they're even more comfortable with socks. My tip for you guys, if you really want these, is just to call around to all the Neiman and Saks that you possibly can and ask if they have them in your size, and leave your name and phone number with the sales associates. And if you go into a mall and there happens to be a Neiman or Saks, every time you go to a mall, just go check, ask sales associates, leave your name, leave your number, tell them you really want this shoe, and you never know, they might have the shoe in your size one day. But I do know these are really hard to get. Like I said, I got extremely lucky, but I am very grateful. And I'm going to show you the shoe again. Now let's talk about styling. I can wear these with so many outfits. I've worn them with my leather skirts, leather pants, jeans, dresses. These look so cute with everything, and sometimes it gives you a cute little classy, sophisticated look, which I absolutely love. But that's all I have for you guys, really. So overall, this is a great shoe. It's a great purchase. It is a large purchase, but they are definitely worth it. And like I said, overall, they are a comfortable shoe. And that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have been able to find this shoe or if you're wanting it. That's about it, guys. Stick around so you can see a up close view of the shoe. All right.